How to check AirTag's battery level. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video we're going to be discussing as to whether or not it is possible for us to check the battery levels of our AirTags. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I have got two AirTags by my side and have already connected this AirTag right onto my iPhone. So can we really check our battery levels? Well, you have to understand that until iOS 15.6, which unfortunately is not in this iPhone 14, until iOS 15.6 you had the option to at least check the battery levels. So not the exact percentage, but just a roundabout of the battery levels that you had, right? So you could be able to check that. But right now, as you can see, we do not have the option, because if I come to my items tab, if I tap on the AirTag, previously what happened was when you actually tapped on that specific AirTag device, you'd be able to see the battery levels at the very top. No, not in the exact percentage, but at least the brief amount of what the battery is supposed to look like. You should be able to go ahead and find that percentage, but unfortunately on this iOS 16 version, you will not be able to find it. So if you're still fortunately on the older iOS, I wouldn't really recommend you to update it unless you don't want to get rid of this feature. Hopefully Apple is going to add this feature next time whenever they update it, but as for now we cannot check the battery levels of our AirTag, and that's simply it. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.